give an
But I
accommodation
didn't
with
know, they just, I know.
right, they could use that card.
I'm okay with that,
Yeah.
I think that's
Give
appropriate
them
for
anything,
them.
I think any kind of tool they had, give it to them.
Right, as far as, we wanna make sure we're meeting the grade level expectation at their grade level.
Well,
We don't wanna,
their grade level is different, their grade level expectation is different. Like, they do this stuff at a different level.
it's at the most basic level. Like, I don't wanna avoid integers because it's tricky. When we send them to the high school and they're gonna need to apply integers.
100%, yeah. It's just like a fraction.
So what if we, like, for this one, what if I make this like -15? Like, that's not, it doesn't have to be for every problem, but if they're showing it in at least several areas here, using the negatives, it doesn't have to be every problem, like, more of like the other level where there are a lot more negatives in integer work they're
Right.
doing.
Because we saw them able to solve one-step equations in seventh grade,
Mm-hmm.
that population. So, what's the next level? I say maybe if we put the integers there and maybe not in the distributed?
Fractions, can they work with the distributed property? That's the main skill we're assessing here, so I don't think we need to throw in integers to
Mhm.
add another thing to the mix for them. I mean, like I said, I'm open to adding it in even just for a couple of questions, because in one or two questions you're assessing if they can work with integers in different ways, so. Like, or maybe like right here, make this negative, so they're multiplying. It's the same rules for multiplying and dividing, so they still have something like this where they're dividing by 6, but they don't have that integer piece, it's just solving a one step.
Yep.
But here they do have the integer piece and multiplying, still
Right.
one step.
And then, Kate, we have the outlier. Who I don't think would be successful on something like
No,
this.
he gets like stopped when you show him, he could do all of that, but something about the fraction, he'll die.
No, but even the integers, he doesn't have,
Oh, you think?
I haven't seen him demonstrate it to me.
What if we try
I
it
think
though?
he could do it.
What if we try it and then if he's really getting stuck on that negative, we take that piece out and we change it to a plus
He
sign?
just needs a lot of coaching through it.
But then are we really assessing him at his level if he
Yeah,
needs
Cause
that
I'm not
much
helping him,
guidance?
he's just going slow and.
Kate, what do you mean when you say like coaching him through it?
I'm not giving him the answer, I'm just coaching him through it and teaching him the strategies as he's doing the problems. So I'm not giving him the answer, but I'm sitting with him or in the front with how Mitchell, do the first step, stop, check it out. Cause if you don't coach him through it, then he just writes a bunch of numbers. It's just giving him the strategies while he's doing the test, while he's doing the work to be successful doing the problem.
So he gets overwhelmed and then you just have to kind of move him
Yep,
through it.
so it's creating independence, it's not making him dependent. I'm giving him the strategies and eventually he'll move
Right,
on.
and within this, they can see supplementary with 2 angles. But like alternate interior, alternate exterior, I think once you're getting into that, I mean, it's not more complicated than it is, all it is like, I'm gonna make this 8, like, this and this are alternate exterior, they're outside the parallel lines and opposite of each other. It's just that language, but that language is
going
where,
in my room.
that language is where they get tripped up, so
Totally,
that's why.
100% correct.
If we give them strategies, it's not to say they couldn't do it, but all that language and some of these, the amount of